friends, thank you guys so much for watching. Today we are doing a Target shop with me. I have a list. Honey, do you have it?
I have it in my pocket.
Okay, Justin has a list. Liam wants new socks. I want shampoo and conditioner, Dr. Teal's. Tabasco we ran out of, and just I have a list. So let's go ahead and go shop at Target. We're here. This is the Bullseye. It used to be called Dollar Spot. Now everything is more than $1. Got $3 items here. We got the Handsome here. Just a bunch of Halloween stuff for now. How a lot has changed. They put all the wipes here, all the disinfectant, all the hand sanitizers here. Oh my gosh, look at the mannequin. So cute. That's like Jakey size. They still have swimwear out that is on clearance. Okay, Carol Baskin, I see you. I see you. What else did they have? Oh, they got sunscreen here. They got all the clearance stuff. They got the parkas out already. Those are cute. Ooh, their jeans are comfy. I love Target jeans. They're really soft, you guys. And then they have the plaid here. They have universal thread. Actually, I want Justin to show you guys. Actually, there's a mirror here. These jeans that I'm wearing are actually Target. They're Wild Fable. Ooh, hello Fupa. That sweater is cute. It's got a little like a, I don't know, like a ruching on it by Universal Thread. Whoa, they have a bunch of face masks here, like different designs for $4. Wow, good to know. Oh my goodness, they have headbands, you know. Oh my gosh, I have to have this. It's a leather one. How much? $10? You got me at leather, pleather. Okay, let's see. I have to find the one that has a cute little screw. Okay, doesn't matter. They all look the same. I'm getting one of these guys because they're $10. Ooh, look at these hair ties. This is beautiful. $10 though? I mean, Amazon sells it for cheaper. But then this, I'm sure I could probably find on Amazon too. But since I'm here, they got all these cute headbands too. How much are these? $10. Justin can just leave me here in these accessory area because y'all don't even understand. I love Target accessories. The earrings that I'm wearing are actually from Target. Let's go check out all these earrings and stuff. Ooh, this one's cute. How much? $9.99. That's a good price. Ooh, this is cute. Totally my style. This is $9.99. I'm getting these. So gorgeous. You guys, I own these earrings. I have it in white and I also have it in this color. And it is $9.99. They have it here still. Ooh, I saw this online. It's even prettier in person. But I'm not going to get neons because I know it's almost fall. Or it is fall, right? Oh my god, I'm stuck in earring heaven. Ooh, look at these bangles. They're so pretty. But most of the time bangles are a little too big. You see that? It's too big on me. Like it'll just fall off. I'm a girl who loves pearl anything. You see? Ooh, ooh. I think they got me with this one though. Ooh, $7.99. The price is right. I'm getting this one too. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. They now have crystals. So they have, this is I guess a protection stone. Actually, it's not. It's not a crystal. This is, what? It's cubic zirconia. So is it real? This is quartz, clear quartz, red adventurine. Okay, I got trapped into the accessories again. These are so gorgeous. This one and then this one. Let's see. $7.99. I mean, I'm sorry, I'm taking you home too. This one too. Which one? I like both. I don't know, I feel like this one more. Sorry, I'll put you back. And then which color? This one or this one? I'm just leaning towards this one just because I don't have a color like this. $9.99. This is a pretty dress. Let's take it out. Ooh, let me show you guys. Ooh. And then they also have this color. It's really cute. I like this one a lot. Oh my gosh, you know I have to go look at some pajamas. Actually, my friend Britt, she got some of these, but in the shorts version. They're cute. I think I want to get some and match her. You guys, just sharing, these are really great for sleeping because you don't have to worry about like the nipples showing because it has padding. Oh, okay, cuteness, I see you. Look at this little thing. Oh, look at that. Those panties are cute. That one and that one. I'm all about the high-waisted because I got a fupa. Look at all of them. Oh, these are like the no-show panty lines ones. Those are great for the gym. If I could go back, you know. Let's talk about what Justin found. He found glow necklaces for the kids. That's so cute. We're looking for underwear for Justin. He likes these, but what size you need? A small? A medium?
I don't know, small or medium.
He likes the tagless type of underwear.
I don't like a band on it.
I don't know why he's so picky. One time for our anniversary, I got us matching underwear. Like I got him briefs and panties and he was like, I don't like the tags on them.
No, it's not the band. It's the band, the elastic.
Okay, get it, baby.
Found it.
Oh, let's see.
This is a TikTok dance, right?
You better stop. Take so Justin, can we show them?
Oh, okay.
Dang, homie, you really showing out. You really showing out today. So this is the tagless. He loves the tagless. Yeah. We're in the Hearth and Heart or Hand with Magnolia section. Oh my gosh, look at this mug. That's cute. Look at her book. Everything. Oh my gosh, look at this little coffee scoop. Everything they have is so freaking cute. They have the cutest mugs. Like, look at these.
Is that a fox?
Yeah. And they have a bear. And they have a pumpkin and thankful. Homebody. That's all of us though, right?
I like this one.
That's
the owl.
Woo. They changed the layout of this Target. I guess, well, it's been over 6 months since we've been to a store, like a Target store. But they for sure changed the layout. I'm looking for my Dr. Teal shampoo and conditioner. They really changed this layout. It feels more like, I don't know, it's different. Like kind of like a Sephora because they have like all the sheet mask out like this. Sometimes I have a hard time sleeping and so I take sleep gummies by Ollie or Hum. But this one is bedtime beauty, so it helps you sleep and it makes you look better. I mean, I'm gonna try it. I'm just shook. This whole store just looks so different. Like even the hair accessories, it's just all different. I'm gonna get this shaving cream because I need some more. This is by EOS and it's $3.99. I'm gonna get some more of the Premier Protein, just a 4-pack this time, and I still have my list. We got a few more things. Got some Hawaiian rolls for
yeah.
He also likes hot dogs, so I got some hot dogs. Can you just bring it closer, honey?
Sure, good idea.
Close up. Some grass relief for Justin, you know,
wow.
Just being honest. We have some scrub. Some Lunchables. This is Liam's. He likes this one with the sub. And then Lunchables that Jakey likes.
Also got some soy milk. Liam swears by this Silk vanilla soy milk. He like honestly doesn't even like any other milk. We've been drinking Oatly a lot lately, but he really likes this one. I
found new flavors, cotton candy, so why not? You know, like a dessert after dinner. And then strawberry banana. We're gonna get some strawberries. Do we need any other berries? I think we're good.
We have a lot because we got a bunch at Costco.
Yeah, some strawberries. We got the Tabasco, I had that on my list, and then some olives, Jacob loves it, and some broccoli. These are really interesting. They're already fully cooked. Let's check it out. So I'm gonna just get one just to see. We're getting some mac and cheese for the kids. Oh, and we forgot to show you guys this. This is a descaling solution for our Nespresso. And then some sambal, because it's my favorite hot sauce. Let me tell you a story about my kids. I made them like homemade hot cocoa. They were like, no mommy, I like the box one, so we're getting the box one. Getting some goldfish for the kids. What else? There was something I forgot to show you guys. Oh, this one, the Z bar. They love this.
And this?
And yeah, I showed that.
Gotta get something for the kitties.
Yeah, it's just, they have prescription food, but every now and then I like to give them some of this.
Sheba brand cat food.
Yeah. Oh, well, we gonna try it all. We do like Sheba, but I'm gonna try
Iams.
Indoor. These are indoor cats. Just a variety. You guys, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's a taco. It's a fish taco truck, but it's a cat scratcher. Like, I legit want to get it, but I won't. We got the kids these matching shirts. It's for a brand deal that the kids actually got. So yeah, we got them this for the picture, and then Liam needed some pants because he's flooding. So we got him those two. Liam asked for new socks, so I'm getting him this because he likes it. But then they have those too, honey. I think we should get the longer ones. Yeah, like these kinds, like the longer kind of style.
Yeah, those are good too.
We'll get some of these crew ones too, that Liam. And Liam and Jakey actually share sock sizes. We're gonna get these socks too. You guys, it was nice going to Target after like 6 months or more of not going. I had such a great time. Cause like every time I go to Target, it's Target.com. It just feels different. They changed the layout of this Target though. I don't know why they did that. I was happy with the way it was before, but whatever they want to do, I'll still be going to Target. I love Target. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. And also, please join me on Instagram because that's where I'm at all the time. My Instagram is AprilJustinTV7. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.